Hey, and welcome to GlobalAir.com's Aviation and Aircraft Fuel Map. My name is Chase, and I'll be showing you the features of the page. This page allows you to search for fuel prices across the country. For example, I search using the airport code VNY. The fuel map brought me every airport reporting fuel prices within a 50 nautical mile radius of VNY. Each of these airports shows the fuel prices when clicked on. On the right, we have tabs that allow you to broaden and narrow your search. These tabs include distance, type of facility, length of runway, type of approach, types of fuel, including Jet A, 100 low lead, MoGas, UL94, and SAF, and also fuel brands. At the bottom of the screen, a list populates showing which airports sell the lowest price fuel of the specific type of fuel that you are looking for. And finally, there's a feature that allows you to compare fuel prices with a different view. When clicking on the airport code, all you have to do is press Compare FVO. This takes you to another page on the GlobalAir.com website. It shows you each airport and the radius's different fuel prices.